You know I come from a city of sorrow, man. Ugly introduction, red snow, heartaches.
What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, and we back again with another banger, man. And today I'm gonna be basically showing y'all how you can break forks, man. Easiest way to break your forks, easiest way to get your connections better, and just overall have all your stuff right, man. Now, of course, this comb got some stuff in it, so we're not gonna use this one. This one needs to be clean. The combs, like these ones, you feel me? Good combs, man, good combs. Nice little combs. What you really need is these ones. So we're gonna go clean this one to the best ability, and then we'll be right back. But y'all need 3 combs like this, man. Not even 3 combs, you just need a comb that has the wide tooth on this side and the thinner side on that side. And then you need one of these type of combs, just a regular comb like this, you know, you feel me? And then you just need some waves, man. If you got waves and your connections is good, that's all you pretty much really need, man. If you got waves and your stuff is looking good, this video is for you. If you got waves and your connections, you got waves, they all dipping, you got pretty much everything going for yourself, crown, everything going, except for you ain't got no connections, then this video is for you. So if you clicked on this video, it's for you. So let's get right into it. No talking enough said. I'm gonna show you how to focus on that one fork and how to break that fork and how to basically, you know, work on it in order for it to get broke. As y'all can see, my hair is pretty laid. I'm pretty much forkless, except for some few areas over here. You feel me? I'm woofing right now. So why not is this a better time to work on your fork? It's your comb. You feel me? So as y'all can see, I got about a nasty fork right here that's moved all the way to the hairline. Once it get from back here or wherever it starts from the middle or something, once it get all the way down here like that fork right there, once it get down here, bro, it's about to be gone. Gone. Feel me? There ain't no more else for it to go through, because you feel me, that's my head. So once it get to this area, it's pretty much about to be gone. So what we're gonna do is try to redirect it, because obviously it's been being brushed different, this section. So what we're gonna do is redirect it. But right now, we're gonna focus on just that area, you feel me? Comb that area out. So this is this area where we transition from the top to right here, which is having trouble right here. When we comb it out real quick, then we want to comb it against the grain. It's okay to comb against the grain in that area. Your hair is trained, it'll know. So you see how I'm focusing on just that part. You feel me? I'm focusing on just that part, you feel me? Now what you want to do is take the thin side and comb it back down the way you want your hair to go. So the top, I want that to go straight out. And the bottom, I want that part to start going kind of straight too. Because it's still going straight out. That's the only way we're going to be able to break it. It's going to have to go straight out. All this is going to have to transition to learn to go straight, because that's still the part of the top of my head. So it's basically combing in a different direction than what it is when it's laid down. And what you're doing is basically redirecting it to go that way. You feel me? Yes, the fork is still gonna be there. Yes, it's not gonna break that fast, but if you keep following these steps and doing it like that, combing it out, combing it back down, combing it back to this right section, and changing the way you brush, you're gonna see results. So right now we're gonna vertical brush, which also helps with breaking forks. But we just working on that fork. Feel me? We want it to go straight, just like that. How we brush the top straight, we want that to go straight with the rest. Feel me? We want that to break straight out. Feel me? This is my weak side, by the way. So we trying to get all this whole section to look like this section. You feel me? That's how we trying to do this side. So right now we working on this side to get like the other side. I ain't trying to have no more weak sides. I want all strong sides. So that's pretty much what you do. You can even apply some product in there. You want to. Lock it in. So it won't be dry. And the best time to do this is when your hair is wet too. So when your hair is wet, right now we're just gonna apply some product, but when your hair is wet and you washing and styling, you really wanna do this method because it's gonna help. It's really gonna help, man. So, feel me? Just like that. Apply that in. But that's in there. What you want to do is just focus on that area. You feel me? Brush it the way you want it to go. The whole key to waving, bro, is you brushing your hair the way you want it to go. Learn how to control your waves. Learn how to force your hair to grow the way you want it to grow. So this side can possibly go straight down like that. It might grow that way, but we brushing it straight like this. You know, it all depends on how your hair grow. Now, me, my hair don't grow like that. My hair grows like damn. So what we trying to do is break that and make it go straight. You feel me? My hair grows down like this. What I wanted to do is go straight like this. Feel me? Basically similar, but we angling it to our angle. That way it can look exactly like this side. You know? You see this side is pretty much forkless, you feel me? I'm fresh out the rag, I ain't really brushed, so everything not really in formation, but feel me? Like that side, that's how we want this side to look. Feel me? And that's pretty much how you break the fork. Just keep repeating that same process right there. Feel me? Get your comb it out, comb it back down in the direction you want to do it, brush it again. Same thing. Feel me? That's what we pretty much trying to do with the whole entire thing, bro. You see a back coming in. Get precise brush strokes and you're gonna see results. See how we headed with this? You notice right here is where the transition starts to happen this way, watch. Then we fully turn it. And then once we turn it, right here, I want the rest of that to start turning too. This part right here is not trained to turn right there, so we're gonna force it to turn that way. By forcing the brush the way we want to brush to get it to go that way. It's real simple. Then we transition to the top and go back straight again. It's all a training method, bro. You can always train your ways, even when you elite, even when you low bases, even when you not even elite yet, when you're not even to that status yet. Still good, bro. You can train your ways to grow the way you want to grow, brush the way you want to brush, bro. Just like with having 360s, 540s, you know, all of that, bro. You training your hair to grow and brush the way you want it to go down. Just like with my back. Y'all see my back? It go down like this on this side, but this side it starts to curve up. That's how I wanted it to go. That's how I wanted my hair to go. Like, yeah, we might teach y'all. I might sit up here and teach y'all how to brush your hair, but don't brush your hair just like me because you see me brushing my hair a certain way. Learn the way your hair brushes. Learn the way which way it grows. Learn which way you want your crown to go, what spot it wants it to be in. It's all up to you, bro. It's all personal preference or how you want to do it. This is just how I do it. This is just how the steps I do and stuff I need to just, you know, feel like I need to feed the streets because I feel like y'all need to know because it can help y'all. So don't sit up here and try to brush like me and thinking you're going to get waves like me. Brush the way you brush and your waves will eventually get like mine. I mean, then after working on the crown, after working on that area that's messed up, you can finish vertical brushing with other stuff. And only vertical brush with straight brushes, bro. We don't vertical brush with crown, with curved brushes, because that's gonna mess your whole pattern up. You see this side is trained to go that way? Because I forced it to go that way? I forced it to go that way, bro. This side looked exactly like the right side. This left side right here, my left side, my good side. This left side looked exactly like my right side. And I forced it to go the way I want it to go. So we trying to force that right side to go this way. The way my left side go. Perfect like that. Forkless. And after that, like I said, y'all plastic bag, rag your waves up, lay it down, keep doing this, repeating the same process back to back to back every session. Y'all can get y'all normal session and do other sessions, and then y'all can get y'all normal session and do other sessions and do this method right here, and I'll guarantee you, eventually, them waves, that stuff is gonna start to break. It's gonna start to break, bro. All of that's gonna start to break. Real simple. Anyway, man, it's your boy Rico the Waver. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Check the description below to see where I get everything from. Follow me on Instagram at Rico the Waver. It's your boy Rico. I'm out. Gang.